I am Rotractor Janardhan, President of Rotrac Club of Vasco da Gama. Our club belongs to RI District 3170 and we belong to the smallest state in India but the most happening state, that's beautiful Goa.
Goa is India's smallest state by area, located in West India in a region known as Konkan. Goa is a former Portuguese province. Renowned for its beaches, places of worship, and World Heritage architecture, Goa is visited by a large number of international and domestic tourists each year. Rotrac Club of Vasco da Gama is a community-based club in the largest city of Goa, Vasco da Gama. We are a group of 18 members and we are sponsored by Rotary Club of Vasco da Gama, RI District 770. In this video, we will introduce you to our Rotractors who will tell you about our place and about our Rotract activities. So let's meet our first member.
Hi everyone, this is Rotractor Siddhi. I'm the Secretary of Rotrac Club of Vasco. Here I have come today to show you what an island in Goa looks like. Well, this is a small island. It is called the San Jacinto Island. And let me tell you something about one of the major occupations, which is fishing, carried out in Goa. Well, fishing is one of the activities which goes on here. As you can see, here is a small canoe which the fishermen go out with in the sea to fish. And about the fish in Goa, you'll find different kinds varying from small to big. You have prawns, you have sardines, you have mackerel, pomfret, oysters, and this is a place where fishermen come mainly for oysters. Well, this is one side of Goa. Goa is a much more beautiful place. Maybe if you could come down, you can see how beautiful Goa is.
Hello friends, I am Prince Chatnesai, Vice President of Rotrac Club of Vasco da Gama. Being an architect, I would like to explain the architecture in Goa. Since Goa has been a Portuguese colony for many years, the architecture here is influenced by Portuguese style and Goan style mix. Behind me you can see a few houses, a few buildings. The walls of these houses are made up of mud and laterite stone which has been used. It's a locally available material. The roof which you can see is sloping. Since Goa being in rainy season from June to September, the roofs have been sloping and roof tiles been used there. And lots of other details such as plastering bands, windows and doors have been used.
Hi guys, I'm Rotractor Vivek, the club service director from the small state of Goa. As Goa being the tourist destination, a lot of foreign and Indian tourists visit Goa to enjoy the sun, sand, beaches and food. We Goans love our food. The cuisine that we have here is from all over the world, but basically is influenced by the Portuguese cuisine. See the traditional food of Goa, the prawn curry rice, the reshak bangdo, the mouth-watering mango pickle and the bibinka. Sorry guys, my food's getting cold and I'm feeling really hungry. So bye and bon appetit. Cheers!
Hello everyone, this is Rotractor Niharika. Since Goa falls on the west coast line and it has a number of beaches, right now I'm standing in South Goa and this is Majoda Beach. And we Rotractors like to hang out a lot on beaches. We have a lot of picnics over here and this is our favorite spot.
Goa is a place where life has no bounds. So if you want to gamble on your holiday, Goa is a sure shot jackpot place. Though the casinos in Goa are at an evolving stage, it offers all the major games to its casino lovers. Blackjack, rummy, stud poker and flash are some of the major games that it offers. So, pack your bags for a fun vacation trip to Goa and we will make you feel in Las Vegas.
My name is Shan George, the Professional Development Director of Rotrac Club of Vasco. Football is a craze in Brazil, so it is over here. It's part of our Goan culture. As you see behind me, this is one of the stadiums of Goa where the recently concluded Lusophila Games were held, which included all the Portuguese-speaking nations. Football is the most popular sport in Goa among the other sports played over here. We eat, drink and we play football. Viva Goa, adios.
Hi guys, this is Rotractor Akash Naik. I've been in Rotrac for past 6 months. and it has been really great working with Rotrack. Right now, I am standing at Mormugao Port. Mormugao Port Trust is among top 10 ports of India and it is also one of the oldest ports. The port is involved in export and import of different commodities. The port also provides facilities for berthing of cruise ships as well as ship repair facilities in case of emergency. This port really has a great potential to boost the economy of the state as well as this country.
Friends, I'm Dikshita Singh and I'm a new member of Rotaract Club of Vasco da Gama.
For me, Rotaract is about meeting new people, developing personality, coming out of the nutshell and exploring new opportunities.
I'm really happy being a part of Rotaract and I would really advise all of you all to be a part of Rotaract, and it's a great platform to bring out the best in you.
Hello friends, I am Rotractor Digvijay, past president of Rotaract Club of Vasco da Gama. Our club was chartered on 12 February 1999 and was revived on 25th May 2010. Since then, our club has climbed the ladder of achievements and today it is one of the best clubs in our district. We have received the DRR award and the district award for the best emerging club. Also, the best professional development service project, 3 times best international service project and the best district event for hosting the district sports meet.
Coming to our Rotaract activities, we are one of the most active clubs in the district and we do projects under all 4 avenues of Rotaract. Under community service, every year we organize Go Green and Biodiversity project under the name of Vasco Let's Go Green series. We create awareness in our city on different issues, conduct programs for traffic safety, spend time at old age homes and orphanages, and raise funds for social causes. We also take part and help our parent Rotary Club in managing polio booths, organizing free health camps and other Go Green projects. We do a lot of professional development activities. We organize workshops for ourselves to enhance our knowledge and develop ourselves professionally. We invite guest speakers to our meetings. To promote basketball in the state, we organize a basketball tournament called Slam Dunk. And we also conduct professional development programs like drawing competition, science exhibition, etc. in schools and colleges. Following the motto of Rotaract, Service Through Fellowship, we share our culture and activities with other Rotaract clubs within and outside our district by visiting them and doing projects with them. We actively participate in youth exchange programs like inter-club youth exchange programs and inter-district youth exchange programs. Last but not the least, we have lots of fun. Whether it is a community service project or professional development project, whatever we do, there is always a component of club service in it. We play together, go for outings and picnics on regular basis, we celebrate each other's birthday together and have lots of fun. So far in the Rotaract year 2013-2014, Rotaract Club of Vasco da Gama has won all the Rotaract zonal and district competitions in RI District 3170. Learning never stops at Rotaract. Rotaract is a world of opportunities and possibilities. We are in Rotaract to work as one, meet new people and enhance our knowledge and skills to become a responsible citizen. We have a passion to learn and do different things, and that's why the theme of our club is Passion for District.